I have noticed small ball bearings in the hot tub, pretty sure they are coming from the jets. I have a 3-year-old Maax spa. Do the jets need to be replaced? Any suggestions? Thanks.
Welcome, how can I help you today? Yes, the jets that are supposed to spin have small ball bearings in them that allow them to turn freely. The parts you see are from one of the jets. You will need to replace the jets that are not turning freely like before. Not all jets are designed to spin, so you should not need all the jets replaced, just the ones you know used to spin. The bearings are normally inside a white ring on the back of the jet assy. If the bearings are gone, most likely the white plastic ring is gone as well.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.